He was the greatest samurai in the empire, and he was the shogun's decapitator. He cut off the heads of 131 lords. It was a bad time for the empire.
Bad indeed. When they plant their serpent seed. Harkat and the leopard. I was across from checkers, and a little to the right. We did a little wiggling at night, and in the lights, you could see Judah's might. And then there was Santa Cruz. They wanted me to bow down, to put liberal progressives over Ebo's crown. I said, nope, I'm not down, I'm the best. And I'll always be. Why couldn't they see? Because they live an illusion dream for their living standard. These are the same globalists. They can't stand us. And their conniving standard, their serpent scale. They want me in prison and our kids in jail. Wherever in a cell. So APEP can poison. That's why I have a self-defense sort of stance. Cause I'm knowing where he's going with this, with our women and kids. Will we ever have bliss? Will we ever? The snake is shrewd and underhanded, kind of clever, but I am wise. Just like those Pharaoh guys, warriors. Call me the Scorpion King, the Rock. I'll have 2 revolvers cocked. Cause OGs told me, in their own kind of way, automatics jam. Don't let that get in the way. Y'all have all the bitches having fun. Down the street from liquor stores, sexy Babylon whores. And other stuff that makes you feel one with the community. But you didn't want to commune with me. Communication. I wasn't having fun, depressed in the cuts. Waiting for my soulmate who's chasing Caesar's cake. The wolf, the bull, the snake, the jackal, our divine battle. They took Joseph on a camel. Those Japheth kind of scum. And then there were my Semitic brothers that always used to feel like us more than just a little and wanted to kill more than just some. They're still chopping heads. Samurais also know their women should be in my bed. Saying, Mecca, I want to kiss you till you're all red. Till you're more than blessed. I'm ready for more than just an Old Testament mess. And Santa Cruz missed. Not even one woman's kiss could have been sincere. When 999 is all those controlled opposition, sniveling bitches here. Whoa. Oh dear.
Around. There ain't nothing they can do that can stop you now. You can stop you now. Around. Niggas gonna hate just to keep you down. You're the best down. Around. There ain't nothing they can do that can stop you now. You're the best.
I'm the best. Even when I'm smoking, drinking, I just calm down. I can still strike them down. Hopefully I won't cut my finger. When I do this little technique and bring it a new angle. Think triangle. Right to the artery. And those that whistle me will be more than just sorry. I'm Shuka the Great, and I'm the top martial artist. They hid behind jealousy and hate. Those that cheat, that know